Lunchtime. Not satisfied with breakfast? Okay, we're having lunch here at Teppanyaki. Let's go inside. This is how it looks like. They're cooking. They're not cooking you. Let's wait for the food, okay? Yes, hungry. They're waiting for our food. They're cooking it. There's the veggies. There's 4. How many are you? 5? You'll just share, okay? Share, okay? And that's how they're making our food. Look. Yum, yum. Lots of vegetables. Can we finish that? You think? Okay, let's wait for our protein. We are starting with vegetables, rice, and drinks, which is unlimited. Yum, yum. And the main course, we have pork, chicken, shrimp, and fish. Let's eat! How do they cook it? Look at the egg. How they cook it.